Welcome back there, YouTubers. So today we're going to be doing dangerous. It's going to be a mixture load between flammable and non-flams. So we're running the dangerous placard, which is legal. One on every side and in the back. Let's give you a quick rundown. Oxygen, acetylene, oxygen, CO2. We got a lot of deck space. A few pallets, not too bad. Good old dangerous placard.